This is my dog, Daphne. She likes swimming, balls, and sticks. But not normal sticks. You know, that's a good, reasonable dog stick. This one here, look at that. That's a perfect doggy stick. And I could just throw it out there. Not good enough for my doggy. No. Doesn't want that normal one, or that little one, or that perfect one. No, my doggy wants this one. Now the problem with that is I gotta throw it. Daphne, come around. Sit. You stay. That's the stick that my dog wants to play with at the beach. Oh well, I guess I'll have to build some muscles. And that's just the way it is in the tough life of the FWP World Trash Talking Champion. We'll see you in that ring.